All right, hello everybody. How's everybody doing? We got the my website right here, the group website. We got the cat page, cat food, cat toys, cat supplies, reviews from the website, from customers. We got the footer, the company about us, frequently asked questions, shipping, social media links, about home, cart, account information, and right here we're gonna click the button. All right, yeah. This is foods, product details, instructions, more products for cats, and then the footer at the bottom. All right, now we go back. Now we're gonna do toys, cat toys. We got different toys right here. We got small, add a cart, different details, and more products, cat supplies. You got different type of colors, different type of size. You know, the add a cart button, instructions, care instructions, and more products. And on there's the reviews again. Yep, make sure everything works. Everything's working fine. Alright, now we're gonna go to the dog page. You can see it has the same type of layout. We try to make it as easy as it can to navigate for the customers of all different age groups, all different. Alright, yep. More reviews, pretty much the same thing. Now we're gonna go to dog foods. Got a little description, different weight, different options, different details right here, feeding instructions, product details, ingredients, stuff like that. Then more details. Product toys, we got size, color, details, size guide, care instructions, and at the bottom we have more products. All right, now back to dog supplies. We got collars, size guide to help those new pet owners, care instructions, and of course more reviews. Always gotta have the reviews. Now the fish page, got fish food, fish supply, and once again the same layout, make it more easier to navigate. The footer, social media links, and of course the reviews. Right here we got fish food. We got different options, different prices, feeding instructions, other stuff you might like at the bottom, of course. And you can see that the image changes every time. Then now we got the fish tank, the fish supply, aquarium starter kit, what's included, product details, and of course more stuff at the bottom. And now we got the reviews right there too. Now we're gonna go back, and this is for the login. You want to check your order status, previous orders and stuff. You log in right there, it'll show you all that stuff. And right there, if you don't have an account, you can create one with us. And of course we have the login button. And this right here is what takes you when you want to create an account. You put all your information, boom boom boom, right, and credit card information, and then you register. All right, that's pretty much it.
All right, so this is going to be a quick walkthrough of the website. So for our name, we're just going to put in Max Jackson. For our email, we'll go ahead and type in test3@gmail.com with a phone number of that. And then for a security question, what's our first car? We're going to put in Honda with a password of 1234. So when I go into test3@gmail.com, you can see here that it's got all of our products listed. So we can go ahead and add these into the cart if we'd like to. We're even able to type in like keywords. So we could type in toy and it'll pull up different toys, or we could type in dog toy and it'll just pull up dog toys. Fish would just pull up anything with fish. So this one right here, it actually is like I believe it's made with fish, and that's in our description, which you can't see right here. But anyways, going to our cart, we're able to see the prices, the quantities, and the subtotals, and we can even remove stuff. So this is a little expensive, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. Increasing the quantity will increase the subtotal on the right, and then the total price over here is also indicated. So if we decrease it, this is now 111. If we were to proceed to order, we can type in our address information here, or we could even change our details here. So if I were to add an address and type in 43 Green and then Atlanta, Georgia, and then United States for the country, I can go ahead and save, and our address has been updated. So if I were to go back, go to my orders or my cart, and then as you can see here, it's got all of this information sitting in our cart right here. Let's say if, like, I don't know, we were to go into this account here. The carts are separate. They're based on whatever your email address is. So let's just add a few things into here. So let's add this, and we'll go to our cart. So right now we got some dog food, some fish supplies, and cat toys. When I hit proceed to order, this address information is already in here like last time. So let's go ahead and process to the billing. Here it's going to have our number, the expected delivery date, which is just set from 1 week from today. It's got cash on delivery, so there's no need for the transaction ID. And this just shows the product details right here, as well as the price, the quantity, the subtotals. So if we were to hit print, it would actually put this all into a nice document for the customer. I'm not going to print that for right now. I'm going to go ahead and continue shopping. I can view my orders here. So here it's got the products, and basically it's got a status currently of processing. In order to change that processing status, we go into the admin account, and we can actually add new products if we'd like to. So I actually don't have the product here at the moment with me, but if I were to go to the project or pet store, let's say that we wanted to add in some Whisker City 2-door pet carrier. I could add that in here. As you can see, the website is reactive with the size. This is going to be for, I believe, a cat, and it's cat supplies. We have a quantity of 5, weight of 5. We're going to put the price at $30, and then our description here. So I will go ahead and save this. So this has been added successfully. And as you can see here, we now have the Whisker City 2-door pet carrier with a price of $30, category of cat supplies. We're even able to edit this product if we'd like to. So when we go to our orders received, we can see that we have these orders from our, this is our phone number. It may not look like a phone number, but that's just what I entered in there for the moment. So we can actually cancel or deliver these orders. And this one we're just going to leave alone for right now. So when we go to our canceled orders, we can see here, this is just to keep record. Delivered orders, same thing. So when I log out, go into this email. I can go to my orders, and I can see that I have one that's canceled, one that's delivered, and then another that's processing. The expected delivery date is just in year, month, day. So as you can see, it's 1 week from when I placed it just a few moments ago. And that's how the website works for right now. So yeah. And then if we were to go into the coding of the side of things, just to show you a little bit in here. Right now, let's just give you an example of when your mobile number, password. So usually each of these pages will be like change password, then we have an action page, security question action. So that's kind of how we keep things organized, along with the header pages, which I'll show you in a moment here. So basically, if you're typing in a correct password or a wrong password, the way that we tell the customer is we have these messages. So if it's wrong, it's going to say your old password's wrong. If it's equals or done, it's going to say that it worked. So if your new password and your confirmation password doesn't match, you're going to get another error. So we have little systems in place to let people know what's happening. And then for the header, this is just for our main customer website. This is so that we can have all the pages linked really easily without having to go through each separate page, because that would actually take a while. On our connection, this is just how we manage our connection right here. It's just imported into every JSP. This is our admin panel. So within here, we just have our admin header. And this is what allows the admin to have control, and same thing, it just keeps everything nice and organized. And actually, in order to access the admin account, there's no actual thing for it. I think we just ended up making a I'm not sure which page it's on, but it's it just authenticates admin@gmail.com with a password of admin. So it's not an actual account within the database. This is our cascading style sheets right here. Our tables managed through this create table JSP. So you'd just be able to easily create, uncomment these right here, create the tables that you need, and it'll just throw this all in there for you. But yeah, that's about it for the project right now. Thank you.